Hi parents, George Hirsch with ADHD Managed. If you're a parent with a child that's suffering from ADHD symptoms and you believe that the methods you've been using, whether it's medication or tutoring services or what the school's doing with an IEP, and you're frustrated with all that, we've got a workshop that I'd love you to take a look at, watch, and there should be a link on this page, depending on where it's at. Should be a link somewhere you can register for the workshop, watch it, and hopefully you'll get great value out of it. I know you'll get great value out of it. I know if you just take the time to understand there's different ways. We used a different way of training the brain. And if you've not looked at brain training before, I mean real brain training, not a computer game. We're not that type of brain training program. So please take a look at it. You'll get some really great insight, and we'll give you a great opportunity to learn more about your child, learn really where their strengths and weaknesses are, and maybe some different opportunities to help your child that if you're frustrated again with the methods that you've been using, traditional tutoring isn't working, the school system's really not helping, and you're frustrated with getting their medication right or don't really like them on their meds. I mean, we're coming here to summer, and we should, a lot of kids get off their medications at this time. So again, just take a look at it. It's a great workshop. You'll get a chance to review everything. We'll give you some gifts if you take a look at the workshop and go through it. So again, this is George Hirsch with ADHD Manage. I hope you find it very interesting.